Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to switch your personal Instagram profile to a business account. This unlocks powerful features like analytics, contact buttons, and the ability to run ads. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to find the option to switch, which is tucked away in the settings menu. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines, the hamburger menu, at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the list. Now, scroll down until you see a section called For Professionals. Tap on Account Type and Tools. Note, if you don't see this, try searching Switch in the search bar at the top of Settings. Now we will start the official conversion process. Tap on Switch to Professional Account or Add New Professional Account if you want a separate one. Tap Continue through the welcome screens that explain the benefits, like insights and ads. You will be asked to select a category that best describes what you do, for example, clothing brand, gamer, or entrepreneur. Choose one and toggle Display on Profile if you want people to see this label. Tap Done. This is the most critical step. Instagram will ask, are you a creator or a business? Select Business if you are a retailer, local business, brand, or service provider. Select Creator if you are an influencer, artist, or public figure. Pro tip, business accounts sometimes have fewer music options for Reels due to copyright, but they get better location features. Tap Next. Finally, let's set up how people can reach you. Review your contact info, email, phone number, and address. If you want a contact button on your profile, make sure Display Contact Info is toggled on. Next, it will ask to connect to Facebook. You can skip this for now, but connecting a Facebook page is required if you plan to run ads later. Close the setup window using the top right X and refresh your profile. You will now see a Professional Dashboard button on your profile, confirming you are live. And that's it. You now have a fully active business account ready to grow your brand. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.